So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. We bring the arms down, and we bring the right arm up. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to the left. From center, swap the arms. Inhale, exhale to the right. Swapping the arms, coming center. Inhale, exhale over, and we'll swap. Inhale, and exhale. And swap. So one more each side. Inhale, exhale over, and swap. Inhale, and exhale. And coming back to center, bring the arm down. And just gently roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. Place the hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. They're just within a nice comfortable range. And the other way. And bring the arms down or bring them up to shoulder level. And we'll do the leg swing. So left leg forwards and back. So belly button squeezed in, finding your focus point. So we'll slow it down and try and go from side to side. And then the other side. You're standing on the left, or swing that right leg backwards and forwards. Gradually building up the movement. And then slow it down and go from side to side. So it takes a little bit more concentration. And bring the leg down. Coming into easy forward bend, so deep bend in both knees, and then we'll try and straighten the legs. So again, deep bend in the knee, body on the thighs, try and straighten. So one more, we'll inhale, exhale, aiming to have the bottom above the heels, then we'll roll on up through the spine. The balance pose. We'll do star pose. So stand on the left, bring the right leg out, arms up, inhale, exhale, lift the leg. So again, belly button squeezed in, finding that focus point. Coming down, we'll do the other side. Standing on your right, bring the left leg out, inhale, exhale, lift. And down. Again. So set ourselves up, we inhale, exhale, lift, try and keep the arms straight, the legs straight. Down, other side, inhale, exhale, lift. And down. So do one more each side, inhale, exhale, lift. So lengthen to the fingertips, to the toes. And last one. Inhale, exhale. And down. For standing pose, we'll do extended side angle. So we'll do 3 each side. And we'll gradually take it a little bit further if you want to. So that right foot is 90 degrees, the knees bent, and then we lean to the right, forearm on the thigh, and bring that left arm up and across. A nice diagonal line from that left foot to the fingertips. So maybe even look up to the sky if that feels okay for you. So we'll come out, we'll do the other side. That left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. And we lean sideways, no twisting. Open up the chest and bring the arm up and across, looking up to the sky, and breathe. And come on up. So again, coming into the basic pose, and bring that left arm up and across, or if you can, bring the right hand down to the ground. But if you find you're twisting, then stay with the forearm on the thigh. Coming on up, and then we'll swap. So turn that left foot 90, good bend in the front knee. So lean sideways first, and make sure you're pulling in the core and feeling strong, and then try and bring the hand down to the ground. And coming up. So one more each side. So you have options. You can stay with the first one, where the forearm stays on the thigh, or you can bring the hand down to the ground, or we're going to take the right arm under the leg and the left arm around the back and try and bring the hands together. Remember, nothing should hurt. So whatever you do, do not strain. If you can't do this, then don't try too hard. So turning that left foot 90 and do the other side. So leaning sideways, either staying here, hand to the ground, or try and bind the hands. And coming on up, and we will finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, placing one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower head. And we'll bring the arms down, and we are all done.